Hey guys, and welcome to the last cleaning video in this house. It is so surreal to say that. If you're new here, my name is Bella and I'm the stay-at-home mom to a sweet little 1-year-old girl named Kennedy. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging out and coming back. And I'm just so blessed to be able to share this with you. So I decided to film a quick little cleaning video, and I guess it's not really the point of the cleaning. I'm not going to be going into detail about what I'm doing. I'm more doing this just because I wanted to close it out on this note, since this is what my channel is kind of about, and I thought that it would be cool to have one last cleaning video in the house. And if you've been hanging out on this channel for a while, you'll notice that this was filmed obviously a little while ago because the house isn't all packed up. And if you want to see more how the house looks now, you can go back to my last video where I packed up a lot of stuff, and then you'll be able to really see the difference between this one and the last one, because when you're seeing this video, we move tomorrow. So we'll be out of this house and into our brand new apartment. Before we even know it, we're actually going to be waking up and just throwing things in the car, getting the U-Haul here, and just going over to the house, to the new apartment because we have a walkthrough and an orientation to get to in the morning, and that's really exciting. And I'm actually going to be in charge of that, and Matt is going to be here with my dad loading boxes into the truck and loading all of our furniture into the truck. And then at that point, after the walkthrough, I will be filming my empty apartment tour, and that should be up next Tuesday for everybody who wants to see. I know that that's one of my favorite parts. Whenever someone moves, I always look forward to seeing the empty space and then what they end up doing with it. And I really hope that you're excited to see that, because I have so many ideas, and I'm going to be decorating for fall in the new place, if anybody was curious. So that will be coming. I think that will probably be up in 2 weeks, just because I want to get settled in, figure out what my normal decor is, and then I'll start adding the fall on top of that. But I do want to make a fall clean and decorate. That will definitely be coming, so stay tuned. Now I'm just gonna wash some bottles, and all these will be put into the box when moving tomorrow. I'm just gonna take all of these and just put them in the box and put it in my car so that we have them readily available in the new place, because Kennedy and my mom and I will be there for several hours before my dad and Matt get there with the furniture. And we have quite a few things in my car that we're just going to be able to put up really quick while they're bringing all the furniture. So hopefully I'll be able to get a head start on it. And I am planning on filming it if everything goes to plan. So stick around to see. I'm gonna try really hard, but if it's just too stressful or Kennedy is upset, I probably won't be able to film it, but I am gonna try really hard to do that. And now I have this huge pile of laundry to get folded and put away, because our washer actually went out again. Honestly, this move could not have been coming at a better time, because we're getting a brand new one. So I had to take all these to my parents' house to wash and dry. So now they're all back. So the rest of this video is going to be laundry motivation, and it's a good time to just talk too. And I want to know what you guys want to see in the new place, because I want to make a ton of videos in here. I'm so excited. I'm definitely more excited to film and make videos in this new apartment than I was in this house. And you know that there was a lot of mental health reasons that went into that for me, and I kind of touched on it in one of my other videos. But again, if you want me to go more into detail, it would be a video all of itself. But if you want to see it, just let me know. I know that it could probably help out a lot of other moms, because I know that a lot of stay-at-home moms kind of feel that same way. And I was pretty isolated from my family. I'm out here an hour away from all of my friends and family, and now we're moving back, and I'm only like 10 minutes away from the closest family member. So that is amazing for me and Kennedy, because she will be close to her cousins. She has cousins that are just a little bit older than her by a few years, and she'll hopefully be able to see them a lot more. And my mom will be able to come over a lot more to see me, and I've really missed all of my family, so I'm very excited about that. And of course, I'm excited to share this whole moving journey with all of you as well. And everybody has been so supportive and kind to us during this move, and so encouraging. And thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. It's really gotten us through some of the stress of moving, knowing that I have an entire community behind me, just being super supportive of me and my family. And I have the best subscribers ever. I can't possibly be more thankful for all of you. I always see your kind comments, and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, guys. And just as a quick reminder, all of my content will pretty much be remaining the same. It'll still be cleaning, decorating, organizing, all things motherhood, all things encouragement and motivation. It won't be changing. It'll just be coming with us to a new place, and that's always so exciting for me when I see a lot of my favorite YouTubers move. I always get so excited to see what they do with their new place and to see all their content just in a new spot. And I know a lot of people are that way too, and I hope that you are as excited as we are for this, because it is honestly so exciting. There will be a ton to do in this new place, between getting everything organized and everything set up, and we have a lot of new furniture coming, so it'll be really interesting to see how it turns out in the space. I think it's gonna work all together really beautifully. We're ordering a lot of white and light gray furniture because the walls are a very light gray, and I'm really excited because it's mainly hard floors, and I know I've said it a few times on the channel, I prefer hard floors. The only place where there will be carpet is in the bedroom, which I'm okay with, and it'll be brand new carpet too. This carpet is a little bit old. It doesn't always feel really great on my feet, which is why I always wear slippers, if you were wondering. And this new place, it's going to be really fun to have a different change of pace and do things a little bit differently, so I hope that you'll join us. I know I touched on it, but I've really enjoyed sharing this house with everybody here. It's been so much fun, and everybody has been so nice about the house and how it's decorated, and I know that a lot of you have been with me since I posted my very first video, and that has been a true blessing. I can't even describe how happy that makes me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today while I quickly cleaned up and did some laundry. I hope you got a ton of laundry motivation. Please make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and please make sure you turn on all of your notifications, because I don't want you to miss any of the new exciting content coming up in this new apartment, which there will be a ton of. And I will see you on Tuesday for the new empty apartment tour. Until then, have a great day, guys.